Welcome to Java training course. My name is Inayat Ali. In this lecture, we'll learn the Java inheritance. Uh, First of all, definition of inheritance: a process where one class acquire properties which can be method and fields of another class. With the use of inheritance, the information is made manageable in hierarchical order. The class which inherit properties known as subclass or derived class, or we can say child class, and class which extends to other class, that class will be called as a superclass, parent class, or master class. So first of all, moving forward, we're just creating a simple class and extending its properties. Then we'll discuss more. Class name test A, let's suppose, and this is a simple class. So first of all, we have already defined the access modifier private variable, which we in which we have described you about they cannot be accessed outside this class. Let's suppose we are writing a variable in which we are giving value 10, and we are writing another variable name, a value it will be Ali. In this class you can write a complete method show parent name. Okay, and let's suppose we are giving this name as a age, and it will be, let's suppose, 25. In this class parent name, and we are configuring this with other, and here we are writing the age. In this method we are printing the age with name. Okay, so in this class you can write any complete method which you want to write over a complete here. This is and in this class we are extending this class because normal complete class can only be extended either we can by using the extend keyword, or another option is by using the creating the object. We will discuss in the next topic where we will be describing the compositions. Okay, here we are creating the main test A. Which extends test A, and here you see there here is no any error for the overriding the methods which we have used override in the previous lecture where we have used the abstract class, in which we have one method is abstract and we implemented here in the parent class. But in the normal scenario, in the inheritance, there will be no any abstract methods in any class. So first of all, writing here here we are just writing the object of this, or we can just write the this dot name is Inayat. It will override this parent class name, and this just we are printing the show method here. When you see in this section, there will be no any age related variable because it is private, though it cannot be accessed outside the package, but a public class can be extracted, so accessible. So we have changed the values here, and we are just printing this method without any creation object from one class to another class within this. Sorry. Okay, we are just creating an object of class here. And it will be obj and obj. Sorry for the mistake. Continue here. Java application. It will choose parent name Inayat and age 25. It overrides the parent class value which was Ali and is given the value to the name new name Inayat. So this is how we can use the inheritance concept in our Java programming language, where one class can extend another class. In Java there is a issue that's called multiple inheritance. Java does not support the multiple inheritance by using the class level system, but we have another process in which we can handle this multiple inheritance by implementing the multiple interfaces. A class can extend only one another class, but it can implement multiple interfaces. Let's suppose we are creating one interface and name will be test interface. Simply we are just implementing. We can implement connect directly here, implement test interface from our default method. So it will be override. It can implement one method or multiple methods also. Let's suppose in other variables test interface from the so it's already implemented, so it will implement here. You can implement multiple. Let's say we are creating another interface to show the let's say we are naming just for the naming conventions, and we can implement this here by just writing the giving the comma separator. So a class can have multiple interfaces by using the implements. When a class wants to get the data from the interface, it has to use the keyword implement, which informs Java compiler that it will be the implementation will be of the any interfaces. But when a class uses another class property, then by the process of inheritance, then it has to use the extend keyword and it extend the properties of other class. Inheritance is generally called as a relationship. Let's suppose we are giving an example of animals. Let's suppose animal is a main category. In animal have the mammals. Animals can be reptile, animals can be other types categories. So let's suppose a mammal is a animal, you can say this. So is a relationship mostly used in the same concept as of inheritance. Okay, in the next section we'll learn the Java encapsulation mechanism. What is encapsulation, how we can achieve the encapsulation. Sorry, if you have any question and suggestions, please comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share videos with your friends. Thanks and have a great